My name is Ayo Kimathi. I'm a Prince George's County resident. Thank you for this opportunity to come and speak. Very recently, I discovered or was reported that the Prince George's County School Board voted unanimously in favor of a Black Lives Matter initiative for a week during Black History Month. I'm assuming that the Prince George's County School Board did not know this, and I'm pretty sure that most of the parents and concerned citizens who are sitting here did not know that the stated, public, acknowledged goal of Black Lives Matter as it relates to educating Black children is to promote homosexuality and transgenderism as natural and normal acceptable behavior to children. It is a national initiative that they have publicly stated that their goals and objectives are doing nationally, specifically targeting Black children. And in this particular case in Prince George's County, bypassing the rights of parents whose religious and cultural belief systems would not be in favor of their elementary school children being taught to accept transgenderism and homosexuality against the culture of them as Black people, against their religious cultures in the church, bypassing them without parents being even informed and being taught that in their second, third, fourth grade classrooms. What I have here for anyone who wants confirmation of this fact, you can go to SaveBlackChildren.com. You can see it for yourself. I also have official Black Lives Matter handouts where they say that their objective is to promote transgenderism and homosexuality to our children, and you can see it on their agenda. What I would say is that I'm hoping and I'm assuming that the board did not know that this was what their real true objective is, and that the board would come out with something publicly to say, we weren't aware, we did not intend to bypass parents' rights to protect their children's sanity by allowing this kind of agenda into our school system. And in the event that the board did know that this was the objective, which I'm confident that the board did not know, I want to say, as a Black man who is responsible for protecting the well-being of Black men, women, and children, that myself and like-minded people like me definitively will not stand in Prince George's County or anywhere else in this country for this type of thing to be pushed on our children against our will. Thank you for listening.